All right, anytime I have leftovers, what I do is I just use it. I either make some type of breakfast taco or some type of tacos out of it, or you can make a meat pie. Here I have some dough that I made. I'll do a video on my dough, on my pizza dough that I make. I make an empanada dough. Also, I should do a video. I'm gonna do a video. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. But anyway, these are some potatoes that we had left over from the other night when we made steak and lobster. I have that. I have some Canadian bacon that I make breakfast sandwiches with in the morning for the kiddo. And he's gonna be gone for a while. So I'm gonna chop that up as well. I'm gonna ground off some ground beef as well. I'm gonna put some cheeses in it and it's gonna be good. I put a Larry's garlic salt in there with parsley. I love parsley. I adore it. Like if you're into like tabbouleh, like oh my god, it's a parsley salad. It's really good. And that pepper I put in there. I'm thinking about putting something else in there. I'm not quite sure what yet. But I guess I'll ponder on that a little bit more. I added some more meat. It didn't seem like enough to me. A little parsley and thyme. And look at our beautiful dough. Yeast I use. I mean, it just looks absolutely fabulous, doesn't it? It smells so good. You know, something about yeast just makes everything better. We have our seasoned leftovers over here. You want to take it out of the pan because you want it to be cool enough for you to handle. And I got some onions and some spices in there that I'll definitely put below. And let's get started. Sorry y'all, I'm doing this video today with one hand. I don't have everything set up. But I got it where it covers the whole cutting board. And then I'm gonna cut it into pies. Fold them over. Pinch them down. And just cut off the rest. And we'll just save that to make another meat pie. Just fold it over. If you want to put tomato sauce or pizza sauce, you can do that. I have some. You know what? I think I'm going to do a couple like that. Okay, and everything is looking amazing. We have our meat pies. This one gave me trouble. Anyway, I'm going to score them just a little bit so they can breathe. Just use a score. I'm going to put a little twist. I'm going to put some tomato sauce. Just a little bit. Right on top. And a little bit of this secret ingredient. All right, y'all, in the oven. All right, I got my oven preheated to 400 degrees because, I mean, hey, this is a dough. We want it to go. Let's get into it. Timer's going off. Put a little bit more sauce on top. Alright, let's check out these bad boys. Ooh. And by all means, like, use whatever cheese that you like. Oh, look at that cheese just oozing out. Oh, it's so hot. Alright, I'm gonna let it rest for like a minute or two, and then we're gonna cut this bad boy up. By the way, my kitchen is already clean. As clean as I go. So everything. Bam. You know what I'm saying? No worries. Bleach. I made some lemonade. Let's put that back. This is my shit. I keep it everywhere. Alrighty. Look at our meat pies. It's raining parm. Hallelujah. It's raining parm. Just, oh. Nice and yummy. Good bite. Also, I made a blueberry lemonade. I'm kind of a lemonade connoisseur. I make all kind of like drinks and lemonades. And this is what I'm drinking with it. So good.